911, do you have a police, fire, medical emergency?
Please come to Mansfield Memorial.
Mansfield Memorial?
Yes.
Okay, what's going on there? Okay, ma'am, where are you at? Are you in the parking lot?
Judy, she said she's across the street from Mansfield Memorial. She left her kid in the car.
Okay.
She stated.
All right, thank you. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so you guys are across from Mansfield Memorial Homes and she left the baby in the car?
Yes, yes. The baby's not moving. Blue lips, not looking
Blue
good.
lips.
White lips. Please hurry.
Okay. And what kind of car is she in?
We're in the parking lot. There's white minivans right in the church parking lot. She said she left him in the car.
Okay. And you said she's in a white car?
More to meet here. His name's Kyrie. He's 5 years old.
5 years old.
Yeah. He's over.
And you said you're in a white car, correct?
Well, there's a white car sitting here. She's in a gray minivan.
In a what? I'm sorry, I can't hear you because she's screaming in the background.
This kid is gone. Oh, my God.
Is there anything that you guys can use to break over the window?
The kid's outside. She's with him on the ground.
So the kid got out of the car?
Yeah, she's got him in his eyes. Seen her over here screaming, and I pulled in.
Okay, so you don't know how long she's been here?
No.
Okay.
She said he's been in there all day or something. I don't know.
All day?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, if you could just stand by with her. Do you know, can you see if the baby's breathing at all?
Doesn't look good.
Okay. All
Hey,
right.
put some water on him.
Is he breathing at all that you can see?
Get him on here. Not that I can see.
Okay. But you guys were able to get the child out of the car?
Yeah, he was out when I got here.
Okay. Can you see if he's breathing at all? Can you get close to the mother?
All right, the ambulance is here.
Okay.
All right.
All right, just speak with medical, please.
What's that?
All right. Can you just speak with medical? They're on scene with her?
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you.